Scott Johnson, and I'm your storyteller. So let's get to it. Once upon a time, there was a young man named Steve. He was a nice guy, he was a good man, but he never could say no, and in himself he didn't quite believe. He couldn't believe, you wouldn't believe. So used to being used, working late again and feeling blue. So used to being used, working late again and feeling blue. This is where we catch up with Steve. Stuck at work, unable to say no, yet still hoping to win the hand of who very well could be his Princess Charming.
Stupid!
No, not entirely stupid. Scared, and in love with a fair beauty he didn't deem himself worthy of. If only he could get some help. Especially in the night.
Hey Steve, still here?
Yeah.
Are you going to the office luau tonight?
I think so. Are you going?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going.
Okay, I'll see you there.
Okay.
Steve-o, just the man I was looking for. I'm gonna need you to stay late tonight.
What? It's almost 5 already. I was gonna go see, go to the luau.
Steve, everyone's pitching in. Be a team player. You can go to the party later.
Yeah. Okay, what do you need me to do?
I need you to go through all the accounts since the 13th.
That's almost 3 weeks of work.
Since April. Remember, there's no I in team. Thanks, buddy. By the time you finish, Ellen will be long gone. With me.
I wish I could just get a chance to talk to Ellen.
Don't worry, Steve. I'll give you that break you need.
Are you talking to me?
You are the only Steve sitting here in this cubicle, aren't you?
This can't be real. This is a joke, right? The guys in accounts payable must have put you up to this.
No, they didn't. I'm your ferry office supervisor. I heard your wish, and I'm here to help with Ellen.
I can't believe I'm gonna say this, but how?
So glad you asked. Now, I hear you have some accounts to correct, right?
Yeah, I'm never gonna get them all finished.
Say no more. I've got just the magic macro that will do the trick.
Okay, well, let me just save my...
Bippity boppity Bluetooth.
What did you do?
Oh. Oh dear. I thought it said that
I'm gonna have to do all my work over.
I'm so sorry.
I need to get some coffee.
Now, Steve. Ooh, you should really clean that up.
Look what you made me do. I thought you were supposed to be helping me out.
Hey there, sport. I left some documents and paperwork on your desk that need to be copied too. Thanks.
I'm never gonna get a chance to ask Ellen out.
Now, don't be so negative. I've got the perfect thing to help with those copies.
It's a copier. We have copiers. They copy things.
Not just any copier, it's a magic copier.
Fine, I'll try it. Great, now it ate my paper.
Not at all. Go check your desk.
That's amazing!
Hey there, Steve-o. I'm headed out to the luau. You got the copies done fast. Oh, they need to be duplexed.
But...
See ya!
double-sided. Now I'm never gonna get out of here.
Hogwash. I'll help you.
No.
No?
No.
But you need me.
You're right.
Really?
I need you to get out of here. Now I have some work to do.
Even if Steve didn't know the lesson he was learning, he was being taught just the same. And in the end, his ferry office supervisor would help him. And this time for real.
Finally finished. I wonder if it's too late to go to the luau.
What are you doing here? I turn into a pumpkin if I stay out too late. Plus, I forgot my earring.
Oh, here.
Oh, thank you.
Thanks.
I thought you were going to the luau tonight.
I was just about to head over there.
Actually, the earring thing was just an excuse for me to come back here. I had to get out of there because the party was sort of lame and Gary was seriously creeping me out.
Well, if you didn't want to go right home, I was thinking about maybe going to get a bite to eat.
You know, I was thinking the same thing.
And they both lived happily ever after.
You've got to
Stand your ground, raise no sound, let the boss push you around. Make her stand, take her hand, tell her she's the one. Bippity boppity Bluetooth, love with eyes and lips. Bippity boppity Bluetooth, your dreams just might come true. Life is tough, sometimes it's rough. Just push on through and see. Bippity boppity Bluetooth, love with eyes and you. Bippity boppity Bluetooth, your dreams just might come true. Bippity boppity Bluetooth, and your dreams